We're going to head back to Antarctica, so let's take a look. First up we have this strange disc, which seems to be embedded in the side of a mountain. If we mirror the object, it appears to be circular, and here's an artist's impression of the disc. When we measure it, we can see that it's 44 meters in diameter. And it's very strange because not far away, about 40 miles, there is a similar disc-like object in the mountain. Here is a photograph that somebody took of the object from the ground. It's very odd. Could these discs be natural or something man-made? They certainly look rather unusual. This one is a similar size to the other one, at 50 meters across. Okay, so let's have a look at something else now. And here we have a rather strange looking object which has been dubbed the Stargate. If we mirror it, it makes a perfect circle. What could it be? It is 48 meters across. And if we look around, there is some other stuff scattered around the site. Apparently there used to be an airport in this area, so maybe these things are what is left over from that. Let's go somewhere else. Here we have an interesting cave entrance on the side of a mountain. It certainly looks like a hole leading down to the depths. It does make you wonder what might be in there. Would you go inside? It measures 90 meters wide and 38 meters high, so it's very large. Now we're going over here to check out this strange thing spotted in the ocean. It's very hard to see exactly what it is, but it does look rather odd. It is around 50 meters long. And people have claimed that it's some type of craft entering or exiting the water. What could it be? Rocks or a ship? I think it does look very strange indeed. Let's have a look over here now. And check out these snow dunes. If you look closely, there appears to be some ruins here. It looks like the edges of walls. Possibly more here. And nearby is a strange cross shape, which almost looks like an aeroplane. If we measure this ruin, we can see that it's 31 meters by 23 meters. And the historical images of the site is completely covered by snow. These dunes are quite interesting, with some unusual coloration. It looks like there may be several rocks underneath. So let's go over here now. And we have what looks like a bunker and a strange circular patch of orange snow. It looks rather odd. Could it be a natural formation? It measures 125 metres long and 60 metres wide, so quite large. And over here is quite a nice frozen beach. And is this another entrance or just rocks? In the historical images, the site appears to be buried under snow. Let's go over here, and we have these square formations in the snow. I'm sure it's just natural, but it does look rather interesting, like an ice city. And this appears to be tracks. How were they formed, I wonder? It certainly is an interesting pattern. And over here we have some more snow dunes. They look natural, but there are some quite interesting shapes and strange coloration on the edge of the dunes, which look a bit like fire or lava. Is this just the reflection of the sunlight? It's absorbing looking closely at these dunes and checking all the different shapes there. So let's move over here. And look at the greenish patch of snow. Not unusual, I guess, but a rather strange green coloration. And over here we have these large snowdrifts or avalanches. I'm sure they're completely natural, but they do look rather interesting, like giant rivers of snow. And an even larger one here. They're like snow waterfalls flowing down the slopes. It might be a good place for some skiing. Just over here we have a mountain. Nothing particularly strange about it, but it does look a bit like a face. So let's go over here now. And we have these cool looking rocks. Interesting shapes and an earthy shade of brown with blue snow plains. And over here we have some rather interesting ice and rocks with some very vibrant colours, different shades of blue, purple and red. It does look rather unusual. If we travel over here, we have some more interesting markings in the snow. Natural, I'm sure. the overall shape makes me think of a phoenix. Let's recap on a couple of things that we've looked at in previous videos. Here we have the face, one of my favourite sights. And looking at the historical images, we see that it's been visible since at least 2009. And over here, we have this large entrance in the snow and what looks like steps leading up into it. Looking closer, it does appear to be an entrance leading into the depths. And it's interesting to note, looking at the historical images, that it was previously buried by snow. In 2007, it was uncovered. But now it is once again buried. If you wanted to find this cave, you'd have to dig for it. I hope you enjoyed exploring Antarctica with us. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.